The advanced manufacturing program really grew out of the passion of my dad, Chip Sharrow. After leaving NASA, he helped found the program out of the desire to train students on the latest technology within the manufacturing industry.
I lost my leg when I was 7 to a lawnmower, and I've been struggling with having a prosthetic leg ever since. I got interested in advanced manufacturing as a way to improve prosthetics.
The program is unique because it provides students with hands-on training in every part of the manufacturing process, from design to production and optimization.
The entire industry became really excited about the program. Companies are partnering with the university to provide technology, internships, and other resources.
The advanced manufacturing program lets me learn everything I need in a single degree, from design software to 3D printing and manufacturing techniques.
Here, I'm able to get hands-on experience to become a leader in the advanced manufacturing industry.
Here, I'm able to work on developing the next generation of prosthetics.
I am part of the UPMC Shadyside School of Nursing. I love making people feel better, and I just like to be a part of something good. This program ended up coming out. I took a leap of faith, I went, and I really loved it.
To know what brought this patient to the hospital.
I saw a crisis situation at a young age. I knew that in there that I didn't want to be a bystander. I wanted to take action. This is a 16-month program. It's not stopping for anything. Perfusion, oxygenation,
The heart, the brain, we learn everything there is to know about nursing.
When we're doing our lab at the towers, it's a lot of hands-on work.
They do have all of the things that they would have in a hospital. The mannequins, the equipment. We can do those procedures here in the tower so that we can feel confident going in front of a patient.
You're with an instructor and other students working directly with patients.
We are able to insert Foley's, NG tubes, do all the vitals.
We focus on safe practices, patient advocacy.
The companies that we're starting to partner with, new facilities, it's really going to open up the university to a variety of projects.
Having access to this facility, I'm able to get practical experience in the industry and pursue my dreams and career goals.
It's helpful to have everything in one building. You get the experience of what you need to do. You feel confident before going in front of a patient.
This tower has provided a lot of opportunities. I have laboratory settings, lecture halls to come here and work with the instructors and further my nursing education.